Finally I found settings. What was wrong with the camera? The exposure was set too high, that's why it was so white, but from now on it should be alright, guys. Have a look, the seat is washed here, looks like brand new. Little bit of dust as guys were blasting the combine. Small passenger seat is also done. Look at this. Yes. Oh, I see a huge improvement with the image quality. So I removed a grill today and still mess here, as you can see. But I'll show you what I've done. So this is done. This is done. Ceiling washed. It's washed up there. You can see the difference now. Look at this, guys. You can switch to the front glass. Sunroof was removed. Fully washed everywhere. Look at this. I think it's very nice. Here, so you can see the difference now between this and this, and that is the difference. It looks very nice. Alright, show you the front. So that's how it looks like, which is mean it's not looking good. You see, when I straight up the bonnet paint fell off from the places where I actually punched this with my hand from inside and it popped out and it looks good. Have a look, a lot of silicone on the sides, and that's the day 2. Yes, and finally I fixed the quality of the image of the video. Look at this, guys. This is the armrest that I removed. Very dirty. Bye bye, Arion. I see you at the next one, guys. Hopefully you will enjoy my new video with the new quality. Yeah, I see no bright effect behind the camera. Finally. Right, thank you. Enjoy your day. Bye 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 bye.